boys and girls. Today is later today. Shot a video earlier today on the 28th July 2022, Thursday, 17:49. That's the time now, right? So earlier today I shot a video about this, really long-winded and all that. But today I went and this is the second one, right? And I went to repair it, and I found out I had a cold solder joint after I put in a new belt. I'm not going to waste my time working on this. Maybe later in life, or if somebody else wants to repair the cold solder joint, I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, here we go. This is, okay, here it is, all right? Looks like that. It's this end here. It's got a figure 8 plug and a DC input there. Okay. There's the back. Again, it has a little switch there for phono or line in. Got a ground, phono input, like that. It's also got your line in, line out, external mics, and we'll get to that in a second. There it is, that's what it is. Okay, it's NEC. Okay, it's 100 watt, 13 consumption. There's the battery compartment, takes 8D batteries, right? And then there's the other end, nothing there. Here's the top, it's got a nice pretty antenna. And here's the bottom, who cares? Here's the back, it takes 6 screws to open it, okay? Then you must remove this little screw off the side of the cassette deck door to get the door to come off. Because you have to take the door off before you can take the front off. And here's the other side, right there. Okay, so take both screws out, then you can take the door off like that. Okay, so it's a very nice door, it's very nice way that's put together like that. Okay, here it is. After you get that off, the front door practically just falls off the front. It looks like that on the inside. Okay, it's inside the front and back cover like that. Here is the inside look of that, like that, okay. Then here's a close-up of the deck. Now I want to point out something to you. For this inexpensive deck, this actually uses a AC bias record head, so that's nice, okay. And just a picture with a flash trying to show the screw there. It only has 3 screws holding the deck in place. 1, 2, let's see. You can't see it, but there's one there, this one here, and that one up there. Okay. Here, I'm just trying to get a better picture of that other screw there. It's underneath these wires, but it's right there. Okay. That's where the speaker removed. It just clips in place. It's held in place by a little clip. Goes in this notch and fits on these 2 posts right there. Okay. This is underside the tape deck. As you can see, it does not have a belt. Okay. No belt. Alright, and another view of underneath the tape deck. Here's your recording bar mechanism. The recording bar switch is up underneath there, very hard to see or get to. Just another view of the back. I had to remove this panel so I could get this panel off to get the belt on. Okay, so here it is. Got you. Just take 2 screws, remove that, and this just 2 more screws. The screw right here on the end, and this screw right there to remove this panel so you can get a belt on. Okay, might be mindful of the spring underneath there, no big deal. Here's the belt I put in eventually. It's about that big, 11 centimeters or 4 3/8 inch roughly. Okay, so, and then here it is installed. All right, it just goes around like that. That's it, nothing to it. Okay. And then I clean the controls with deoxit, okay? And then I got the tape deck running. As you can see, it works. However, there's no audio. Now I have a video this morning that has audio, okay? So now let me widen this thing out briefly. I'll show you the issue real quickly, okay? So, let me move the camera so we can see the, whoops, don't fall, don't trip. Here, wait. Okay, the tripod's falling again. I got to tighten that up. Alright, so now, okay, there, that's pretty good. Alright, so here is this. It's plugged in and turned on, but it doesn't work. Okay, so I'm going to hit this. Just rewind, but now watch this. Well, now it won't do it. Wait, that's because I tripped on the thing. Let's see. Okay, make sure it's in there. Yeah. So, well, this, well, now it doesn't want to work at all. Let's see, before it was working a little bit. Well, here's, well, I was able to get it to work a little bit, but it's got a cold solder joint on the inside. That's why I wrote this great big long note on the back side to remind myself when I last worked on it and so on and so forth. Anyway, alright, well, I was able to get it to work moments ago, but you know how it goes. You make it, as soon as you shoot the video, nothing works, so it doesn't work. But I just want to show you that this looks like that, and then here is a whole nother one that does work. But this one's a prettier one. This one's got all three buttons, where this one only has missing the one right here, as you can see. And let's see here. This one here does. So it's working right now, but I'll throw the tape in. You can see it's working right there, right? If you hit play, and throw the tape, give it some volume. You got that. So. But I'm not here to play the tape or that. Anyway, and I'm happy with being able to just run this up and down with my finger. I don't need to take this one off of here and put it on there, because that's essentially the same model but a lot cleaner. It still has a few dings on the front, but just a very clean thing. Okay, so just wanted to show that to you like that. Okay, so alright, and I'll upload the other video later. Okay, so good day, bye-bye, thank you. So I'm basically about this one right here, getting it. It worked this morning, but after I jostled it a bit and took it apart like I showed you here and got a new belt in there, then discovered it has a cold solder joint in the power supply. And the power supply on this one is weird, because the power comes into the transformer, four-way bridge, and it goes to the tape deck first. And then it goes from the tape deck to the radio. Okay? So that's just odd, because most radios, the power comes in, comes here, goes to the amplifier first, and then back to the tape deck. I just thought that was interesting on this particular machine, but it doesn't work at all. Or it works sporadically. Let's see here. Wait. I got it plugged. Well, there, I heard something. Okay, well. Come on. There it goes. Whoop. See, if you hold it down. See, if I hold it down like this, if I put my tape back in, right, tape back in, we can get it to work. Oop. And that was the end of the tape. Let's stop and go this way. So it will work, but as soon as you just put it upright, well, see, there it goes, it went dead. And lie back down again. And they come up. That's what I was doing before, so I don't have time to mess with this. Alright, this is just too much fun. Lie down, pick it up, shake it a little bit, it stops. Alright, so I could, but this is one of these deals where I don't have I just don't have time to be spending all day trying to, so I'll put this on the back burner. It's very clean, very pretty, all that, okay. Looks like that, alright? Got my happy little note on the back. Alright, this will go on the back burner. But if anyone's interested in getting it from me, and then if you have the patience to go through and find the cold solder joint and reflow the solder joints, you'd have a really nice machine. That's why I'm leaving this piece on here and not taking it from this one. Gotcha? Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good day. Bye-bye. let's see here. You might want to, I'll see, what would I say? I would say, I don't know, say like 180 shipped, how about it? I'll say 180 shipped. Okay, I said it in a video. I'll stand up to that. Even if, anyway, 180 shipped, you can have this, alright? And it'll be more if I ever do fix it. Thanks for watching. Good day, bye-bye. So, turn that off. Turn this off. Say goodbye. Alright, yeah, so. Wave. Bye. Wait, hit the wrong button.